Yeah, the City Paper remix featuring Young Buck, you know what I'm saying, August 14th, man.
You're watching Audio Grinderz TV.
Video shoot, you dig at the City Paper remix featuring Young Buck, you know what I'm saying, August 14th, man. Cashville, Tennessee is going down as a monumental day in the city, man, the City Paper Day. That's what we're gonna call it. I'm the top dog. We feeling we'll sleep with the dawn, man. That's my man, you know what I'm saying. Audio Grinderz, man, we're gonna do it big, man. We respect everybody, man. We appreciate everybody for coming out, man. It's gonna be a major night in the city. Y'all stick around, man. The birthday bash is coming next. You know what I'm saying? We got like 1 hour break, you know what I'm saying? Breathe deep, because it's going down. You dig what I'm saying? The City Paper, Cashville, #1 dog, independent artist of the year. That's me, the top dog, man. You know what I'm saying? Watch the TV screens. I'm coming to a screen near you, man. 100.
And I'm still front page, bitch.
Get money, baby. See my dude, Trey. I'm Younger Days Strap, the COO of Executive Record. You understand? We behind the scenes right now. We don't shake it. We gonna do real big in this city. Believe that way, boy. I'll look in your eye and tell you, we the hardest in Cashville, Tennessee. We running this city, baby.
Low C of the R&B Supreme, man. 615, man. My homeboy Paper doing it big, you know what I'm saying? You know, people don't understand there's a lot of talent in, in this city, you know, so I'm one of the type of cats that like to come out, support every artist, anything they doing. Come out, show my face, man, support it, man, you know.
y'all. We still in the City Paper video shoot, but we got the man behind the scenes, behind them scenes right here, man. Charles Robinson, man. Right now, we're gonna see what Charles is up to, man. Tell him what you got shaking for us, man.
Oh man, we just wrapped up the City Paper remix, man, with Young Buck and Paper. I don't know where Young Buck is, man. Y'all seen him?
Nah, we ain't seen. He gonna be found later.
We ain't seen that guy.
But you know, we having a good time, man. Just wrapped it up. It's a long day, man. We've been up since about 7. About 7. We just finished wrapping it up. What time is it? It's about 10 now, so this is about a 12, whatever hour. Man. So, you know, we kind of exhausted, tired, man, but it was a good, you know, it was a good look, good opportunity, man, and I appreciate everything too, man. It was good. Everything turned out well. Had some badass girls. I hope you got them. Did I get them on the tape?
We got the ladies. We do got the ladies. All 50 of them, y'all. They in high definition. What's the company name, man? What's the company name, man? So they can Google y'all, man.
Northern Lights HD Video, man. We got
Back in my shirt. Hold on.
Y'all heard that? High definition video, y'all. I'm everywhere.
So, yeah, man, appreciate it, man. Yeah, you can go check us out on YouTube, man. Type in Northern Lights HD Video, Nashville, or MrCharlesandRobinson.com. You can check out a bunch of shit on MySpace.
Just follow.
What's that other website, man? World Star. We got a couple videos on World Star, which ain't nothing. Yeah, edit that out.
Northern Lights not only do video, we do website design as well. We do flyers and everything else. So any kind of multimedia experience you want from Northern Lights Productions, you can contact us.
See the personal trainer.
We do everything, Northern Lights Productions.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.